Planning a move in California and need affordable, reliable movers. In this video, we'll explore some of the best cheap movers in California, from local relocations to long-distance moves, all while ensuring quality service doesn't take a back seat to cost. California is home to a vibrant array of moving companies, catering to diverse needs. From local moves in Los Angeles to cross-state relocations from San Francisco to Orange County, it's crucial to find a moving company that knows the Golden State's unique challenges, while still offering affordable services that don't compromise quality. First up, Excalibur Moving Company, with locations across California, offering a wide range of services including local moving, long-distance hauling, piano transfers, and large item moving. Excalibur stands out for its competitive pricing. However, be aware, they charge double time for anything over a 10-minute drive, and out-of-state moves are handled by subcontractors, which might affect reliability. Next, let's talk about Fast Truck Moving Company. Known for their upfront pricing, Fast Truck offers affordable rates starting as low as $95 per hour for smaller moves, with larger moves priced at $155 per hour. They also offer additional services such as packing, unpacking, heavy item hauling, and even senior hauling. While they're not the cheapest, they're very transparent, making it easier for you to budget your move. Ready to make your move in California? Visit 3 Movers online or call 888-222-06 for a fast, free quote. Experience an affordable, efficient, and professional move today.